Hello everyone, this is Varun Jain. I am a civil engineer and a graduate of IIT Roorkee. And I had my UPSC Civil Services interview scheduled on 27th March this year, but this got postponed due to COVID situation. And as the present situation stands, the prelims of this year also stand postponed, which I see as deferred indefinitely. Now, as at this point of time, everyone suggests that we should focus on prelims and mains together. We need to work for answer writing skill in the mains. So through these videos, what I'm planning to is to teach you how the science of answer writing, which I have learned through my own journey. In this particular video, I will talk about three things. First is my own experience with the GS mains answer writing, so that you can know कि यार इस बंदे को कुछ पता भी है या नहीं. Second thing, I will explain how I will teach you about this science of answer writing, which I call you. And the third thing is what you can gain out of it, the concrete and the objective gain you can come out of these videos. So first thing, I will tell you briefly about the three mains experience which I had in 2015, in 2017 and this year 2019. In 2015 mains, I had scored 335 marks in GS, which is a very poor score from all standards. And after that result, I realized that I need to focus on GS mains answer writing. I need to learn how to present myself. So I work over all the aspects of answer writing in my subsequent attempt. And in 2017 attempt, I have scored 440 marks in GS mains. And in that particular year, I had 126 marks in GS paper 2. For that paper, I had followed certain strategy, which I want to communicate it to you. And in this year, 2019 mains, I have followed what I have learned in 2017 GS2 mains. And as you can see, as I have cleared the mains examination, I can expect that at least decent score will be there in the GS for me this year. I will explain it to you through the past year question paper. Look, UPSC has provided a template with regard to the syllabus, and what they are asking in GS mains is related to syllabus only. So I will explain you through the past year questions. And one thing I want to make clear that I will not give you any content over here. Look, what I have realized over the certain years is that nobody lacks content in the mains. What they lack is how to use that content. That I want to teach you. And the third thing, which is the most important thing, is what you can get out of it. The objective gain, the problem which you are facing at this point of time with regard to GS mains answer writing, that I can help you in solving. First thing is eliminate your fear of answer writing. Once you will see that how structurally you can present your answer and how less content you need in the actual examination, that fear of answer writing will be gone. You will realize that you can write average answer for each and every question. Then second thing is it will help in improving your efficiency. Look, we read lot of redundant content during our whole journey of civil services. What I have read in 2017 mains was very much less than what I have read this year in 2019 mains. But from my own experience, I can tell you that my performance was much better in this year mains in contrast to 2017 mains. So improving upon the efficiency will be the second thing. Then third thing I will tell you is value addition tricks. There are few small tricks, small data, small fact, introduction that you can use, small diagram, flowchart that you can use to gain one extra mark in each question, so that you can get extra 10 or 15 marks through these tricks. So, and simultaneously I will also tell you about a perfect or a valid source for reading certain topics of the GS mains. This is how we'll proceed. So in the next video, I will start with GS paper 1 2019. We will talk about certain question and see how these things evolve. For any suggestion, you can leave comments, and thank you. See you next time.